Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Papaya Daiquiri, though I'm not entirely sure why. To make this drink, we're going to start with the rum. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. One ounce of papaya syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Official glass for this drink is an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. If you don't have an Anderson Ancestral Coupe, any coupe will do. Strain it into that glass. And garnish. Garnish is going to be a lime wheel. And that's it. Papaya Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.